In today's video, I'm kicking off a new challenge for myself. It is going to be the $100 Reseller Snowball Challenge. And for this challenge, I'm giving myself $100 that I'm going to take to the thrift stores to buy items that I'm going to sell on eBay, maybe Poshmark, Mercari, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, whichever platform I deem as the best to sell quickly and for a good profit. Now, since I'm doing this as a snowball challenge, I'm going to take any profit that I get out of this and I'm going to roll it back into more purchases and more inventory until I reach $1,000 of profit made total over all of my sales. And this could take a little bit of time, this could take a long time. It really depends on what type of items that I find, how quickly can I move them, how quickly can I list them, get them out, all that type of stuff, and then repeat that cycle over and over again. The key of this is to be able to show you guys, if you are new or even experienced, how quickly you could take just a little bit of money and just keep multiplying it over and over and over again. And really, that's the key to any reseller business, is reinvesting back into your business with the money that just came in. So this could be a multi-part episode. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to spend all this money this week, to spend all $100 to invest into inventory that I'm going to sell back onto the platforms. Whatever I save, I'll keep a tabulation of. I'll show you guys at the end a tabulation of all my purchases, how much I spent for that week. So come along with me and let's go and see what I find at the stores. All right, got some pickups for my $100 challenge. The first one I got, now all these will have discounts off of them because I got a 20% discount. Freak Style for the GameCube, that's $229 before discount. And that should go for about $20. I just have to make sure that one is working. Got this dual double feature of Bogart and Bacall, Turner Classic Movies. That was for $1.29 before discount, so it's about $1. That one should go for about, I think, 13 to 15. Lie to Me season 2, that was $5.29 before discount, so that's gonna be closer to $4. That should be, I think, about $20, and I'm hoping that's a quick flip on there. Blue's Clues season 6, this is brand new and sealed, $4. That should go for, I think, about 15. SSX Tricky for GameCube, that was $3.99 before discount. Crash Bandicoot Warped for PlayStation 1, that was $2.29 before discount. I think that's about $20. Minecraft PS3, $3.99 before discount. And then I found a sealed Marvel Superhero Squad for the DS. I think this one I should be able to get 15 to 20 on that one. There's not many new for that one. And then the biggest buy that I had out of all those was this D-Link router. It's got them, they all hold up and stuff. I just have to test this one out. But this was $19.49 before discounts at 20% off. That's about, it's gonna be about a little under $16, but this thing goes for, I think you get $80 to $100 shipped for it. So this one is my home run out of all of them. The rest of them I'm trying to just churn money, and that's the key to this challenge, is that I'm looking to churn money and just keep flipping and rotating it over and over and over, and that's the goal to the snowball challenge. So by the time that I hit $1,000 in profit total out of everything, not just 100 that I'm holding, but 1,000 total that I've generated and I've reinvested, I want to show you guys how much inventory that I was able to generate during that time that I was flipping to get that $1,000 in overall profit. I forgot I actually missed 2 items here. I found for $7.49 before discount 2 PlayStation 3 OEM DualShock controllers. These work. I think I could sell them to $25 to $30 each, or I may bundle them maybe for like $50 and see if I could just do a quick flip with them bundled on there as well. So hopefully they work. If anything doesn't work, it gets returned and just goes back into the original pool, but want to make sure I show you guys those. All right, I grabbed some more for the 100 Snowball Challenge. Now all these prices are before 20% off that I got. Kids Are All Right, the Who DVD set. This is $2.79. I think I get like 13 to 15 for that. Just trying to get some bread and butters. The Sims 3 is $4.20. All these are $4.29 now before discount. So like, I don't know, $3.50 was the cost, maybe $3.40. I'll tally it all up. But Sims 3 for Xbox 360, Skate 3, I think I could get probably like 15 for that, like all day, and that's a pretty quick hitter. Tony Hawk Project 8, I think that's about 15 as well. Sims 3 Pets, I may put that and Sims together, Sims 3 together, and lot them up. Those usually sell really well when I lock those things up, and maybe get like 25, I don't know, 25 to 30 for those. But yeah, just some bread and butter to go into the store, hopefully get some quick flips on games, just so I could get some bankroll and get more inventory so I could snowball this real quick. All right, just a couple quick items. Got season 1 and 2 of The Nanny sealed for $7 total. I think I'm gonna try to get $30 shipped on that. Hopefully that's a quick flip. Looks like they sell a lot, but not many are new, so hopefully I can move those real quick. And then the Hobbit trilogy, that's for $1, and I should be able to get $15 out of that. So just getting some of those smaller ones that should be able to move quickly, and then I can take the profit and buy like 8 more $1 ones. I think they can move real quick and just keep snowballing, multiply. But just a quick flipper that I'll get out there. I bought this for $5.29. I think I could sell this for $25 free shipping in about a day or so if I get this up. This one's in really good condition, so I could probably even ask $30 based on the condition of everything else that's out there. All right, 2 more quick ones. I got this Boss Monster. It's like a card game, like a little dungeon card game that you could play. $4.49. I think I can get $30. I'll go for between 25 and 30 and just try to get a quick flip on there. And then Pokemon Black and White 2-disc set, $129. I think I get like 13 for it, so that's gonna be another one I'm gonna try to get a quick flipper on. 2 more that I grabbed for the challenge. Sonic and Mario, $3.29. That one should go between $15 and $20 shipped. And then Need for Speed Most Wanted Xbox 360, $4.29. And that should go between $25 and $30 shipped. So 2 great ones to help get that number up. So here's a final stack of everything that I purchased. It was 23 items. I think it was about $85. So I'll show you guys a tabulation on here in a little bit, maybe up in the corner. Bing! Crash Bandicoot, P90X, bunch of games, board game or card game, movies, more games. The Wi-Fi router, right, that was the top item. I think that should go for about 80 to 100. Overall, hopefully I can move these all pretty quickly so I can reinvest soon. So as you can see, I spent a little over $85 for 23 items that I'm gonna flip on to probably eBay for this one. Out of all those items, I think they're gonna best go on eBay. I think I could get some sales this week on them. Hopefully I could sell maybe, I don't know, 25, 30% of them this week and get some money back in that I could use as a pot to go out and buy more inventory. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you stick around to watch the rest of my challenge as I do this and check in with you guys on this. If you haven't before, make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, leave any type of comments. I love interacting with everyone and just hearing what your guys' thoughts are on these type of videos and my challenges. So thank you guys once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.